But let's see how the individual stocks actually take it up from there. The first rates then on your screen after what looked like a decent move by the markets eventually through last week, and we held out quite okay in that sense. So we're holding our okay pretty quiet with just a very marginal positive tilt. 26,100 is where we're currently at in trade right now. Bunch of stocks on our radar this morning, and we've been talking about both Eternal as well as Swiggy and the impact that they're likely to see after the labor reforms. 1.5% lower for Eternal right now. And you've got Swiggy as well, which has started off in the red. Actually, some of the key large caps are in the red. Look at Tata Motors PV, look at what Bharti is up to, look at RIL as well, marginal bit of softness over there. Adani Ports as well, as I see on my screens, DEL down 1.25%. Most of these names have started off a little bit in the red as we speak right now. What about Lupin? US FDA has issued a Form 483 with 7 observations for their Goa unit. Look out for what that stock does. As well as Natco Pharma, US FDA has issued 7 observations again for their Chennai API unit. And then Shilpa Medicare as well, wherein the US FDA has issued Form 483 with an observation for Unit 4 in Telangana. So their entire pharma pack is definitely in focus this morning. For Lemon Tree, they've signed a new property in Madhya Pradesh. Look out for what that stock does. The big mover from last week are actually, I should say, volatile stock. Hoodco, which has signed an MOU with now IDFC Foundation for a capacity development initiative for the urban sector. That is the other stock which is also in focus as we speak right now. Edgy Infra, Kalpatru Projects, a 4060 JV declared the lowest bidder for a 1400 crore rupee Maharashtra metro project. So that's a bunch of names also that we're keeping on our radar. And then NBCC, after being very active all through last week, they've bagged orders worth another 117 crore rupees. RVNL2, 181 crore rupee order from Northeastern Railway. So a bunch of these names we're keeping on our radar. There's of course Tata Powers as well. They've signed an agreement with Drug Green for a 1125 megawatt hydroelectric project in Bhutan. It's an investment of over 1500 crore rupees. Just a marginal upside for Tata Power as we speak right now. So that's pretty much it. It's a very lukewarm start, very Monday, and IT, that's your big winner. Infosys up 2.25%. HCL Technology is also holding out. In fact, the entire IT pack is looking okay. And banks as well, right, Sajid?
Yeah. If you look at the Nifty, it's up nearly 18 points, but the leaders on the board are IT, which is contributing 35 points, banks at 18, and transport services, which is some of the auto companies at 3 points. So the leaders there and been dragged down by automobiles, retailing, and petroleum projects. So the frontline and the flagship companies are dragging a bit at this point in time, and Nifty is hovering over the 26,000 mark as we enter into the month's expiry.
So yes, and after that, Tejas aircraft incident in Dubai, HAL is down 3.5%. Data pattern seeing some pressure, 2.6% lower. Delivery is the other one which is down 2%. DCM Shriram, despite getting clearance from the NCLT with regard to demerger, stock is down 2%. Some profit booking seen there. Lemon Tree also down 1.7%. New hotel opened, the 50-room hotel, and despite that, the stock is down 2%. So those are just some of the other movers which we've not covered. Team Lease is up 9% in trade. New labor laws in place, and that one is flying off in terms of the start that it has seen this Monday morning. Shyam Metallics is the other one.